Well, today we're going to spend the day shooting BBs, and we're setting up the targets right now. Say hello.
Hi.
This is my shooting partner here, and what we did was we pulled down all our Halloween stuff finally, and we're going to use most of them for target practice, including our pumpkin. Just keep shooting. Alright, do the one in front of the butterfly.
Okay.
Ooh, nailed it.
I don't think I actually nailed it.
Yeah, you did. Do the one on top of the fence.
Okay, I was gonna do that one.
Got that one?
Uh,
Do the one in the yard right here.
the one that's colored?
Yeah, the one off to the side. Right here, yeah. No, that one. Yeah. Oh, you didn't load it right. That's right.
Oh, I've got a pump.
Put that skull on top of the fence.
Okay.
Got it.
Can we go for the bottle?
Yeah, the 2 liter.
Yeah.
Nailed it. Good job, man. That's bleeding.